buhay! Hello guys, and good morning. Nandito tayo sa BC. So tinatahak natin tong, actually madadaan natin yung New Hope Park kasi tayo ay magka-camping. So mag-stay kami ng one night doon, and nauna na yung mga visitors ko, yung sister ko, nauna na sila kasi mabagal daw yung sasakyan nila kasi nag-stop pa kami sa Canmore, nag-washroom kami. So yun yung ating today's video. Kakamping tayo sa BC. Actually, I forgot the name of the campground, pero lalagay ko dyan sa bottom. Half an hour from Golden BC yung campsite namin. Buti na lang nakisama ang weather, pero sabi naman cloudy siya, pero buti mainit siya, pero bukas mainit talaga. So finally, kasi every weekend palaging umuulan, so natsempuhan namin. Last week, kailan ba no, nung Sunday, sabi ko sa sister ko, book tayo kasi ngayong weekend nga mainit. So buti na lang gumanda ang weather bago matapos ang summer. Right, Remy? Are you excited to go camping? Huh? There's too many dogs. So we're here sa Kicking Horse Bridge. So yan guys, nakikisama yung araw. Oh my God, kinakalagkad ako ni Remy. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Golden BC. So dito muna kami nag-stop by bago kami pumunta sa campsite. Ay, Remy. It's okay. Ang check-in namin is 3 o'clock PM. And yung campsite nga is half an hour from here. Pakita ko sa inyo guys tong dumadaloy na tubig. It's very nice. Sunny. Hindi siya ganun kalinaw ang tubig. Pero hindi naman siya polluted. Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. Mamaya lalakad tayo doon. Babalik tayo sa may pedestrian bridge. Hey, Remy! Lakad-lakad muna tayo dito. And dadaan tayo sa Kicking Horse pedestrian bridge. So, balik na tayo. Punta tayo dun sa may pedestrian bridge. Nakaka-relax yung tubig. Let's go. Si Remy, walang kumpay na hila. Let's go. Hi, Daddy. Nandito na tayo sa Parson BC. Pero bago tayo dumaan sa campsite, punta tayo dito sa world's largest paddle in the world. Let's find out. So, tingnan nyo guys yung mountain.
The other side, it also look like wildfires.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So, merong wildfire na naghanap. Siguro from last year. Kasi dark yung puno.
Oh my gosh,
Eladim, you're gonna swim?
Let's leave her here.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, maybe you can swim. Look at the water, it's natural.
Yeah, it's natural, but greenish.
Wow,
Remy
clear.
can swim here?
Huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Remy can swim here?
try if it's cold. Nasa ano to, malapit sa campsite namin. Ito do yung pinakamalaking paddle in the world. So yun yung sister ko, nakapost na agad do. And meron ditong stream. Yung tubig niya super linaw. Let's check it out, Remy.
Large paddle.
Imagine getting smacked in the ass by that, babe.
Huh? Let's see kung water. Go drink your water. Remy, drink water. Come on. Here, drink water. Remy. Ang linaw ng tubig.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Okay guys, dito na tayo. Mag-check-in na tayo. Maaga pa, pero yung kapatid ko nag-check-in na, sabi pwede na daw. I think this is the office, babe. I'm gonna go. Wow. Barbecuing. This is 3. Two, 4, 21. So here. 122.
Back in here. This is our spot.
Ayan sila. Naka-position na. Dito kami sa 23. Magkatabi kami. So, we're here na tayo sa campsite. Nag-unpack na tayo. Ang una natin gagawin is maglagay ng tent. Malamok guys. Sobrang lamok. So,
We
yan.
have two like this. Maybe if you want, we can, the other one we can put on the tree. Like that. But no, it's not like that.
Yeah, let's see. So, yan. Magbibuild na kami ng tent.
can put the second in the entrance, like here.
Like how big is the tent?
I don't know.
Like this size or we need one more?
I think bigger.
So we need one more. That's big.
What do you think?
Or you wanna face that side? The door, the entryway goes that side. Yeah. Wow, Remy, you're gonna sleep here.
6 meters. Have from your side. No, this one enough.
Our bug.
Yeah. Pull it to there, to the other side.
We have buckets.
Slowly, slowly.
But you need some leaves. And sticks or something. Oh, Remy, I want to
Here
go
it's broke.
catching
In the
leaves.
middle broke, baby. Fix it.
Yeah?
Here.
Later.
Here.
No, I more want to use for him in this stick. No, it's straight and nice.
So yan guys, finally, nabuo na yung aming tent. So dyan kami lahat tutulog. Malaki rin siya. It is good up to 12 per person.
Like this one?
So yan, ready na yung aming tent.
Because someone can fall.
Nilalagyan na lang ng support para hindi siya mabuay. So yan guys. Ay! Buksan yung tarp. Hindi ka kasi nakakabit.
Wow!
But now you have the light.
So, mag-set up na tayo ng bed. Meron tayong air bed dito.
Talia, if you need
Ito yung bed namin nung bagong dating kami from Ontario. Natulog kami ng 1 week dito kasi yung kamang in-order namin 1 week bago dumating. So yan, 1 week kaming natulog dito.
Where we sleep? Yeah. Oh my God.
Doon natin yan set up. Tapos yung sa sister ko is doon sila sa kabila.
So, yun na nga guys.
So, kailangan natin gumawa ng division para may privacy tayo, no? Hi, buhay! Buhay campers!
Buhay ko.
Where was it, no? Where's the
So yan guys, finally nabuo na yung tent namin. Ang init! Mainit pa ngayon pero mamaya lalamig na yan.
I'm tired.
So ito yung settings ng ating bed. So dyan kami ni Mike hihiga. And then dito si Remy. Tapos sa kabilang side,
Baby, can you vlog a little and send to me?
dyan sila.
More big.
O diba, pulang-pula ako. Ang next na gagawin natin is i-prepare na natin yung table para magluto ng dinner. Tapos after dinner, mag-s'more kami. And then mag-chill sa ilalim ng firewood. Buti hindi ban yung magsiga ng apoy dito. Yun nga lang, alam niyo mabisa yung mosquito repellent na nabili ni Mikey. Nawala yung lamok. So, yan. Tutulungan na namin silang mag-prepare para makapagluto na. So, yan guys. Chill muna kami dito after ilabas yung ibang gamit. And nag-start na si Mike magsiga. Ang oras is 3:40. Meron kasi kaming dinalang shinred na mga papel, like yung mga bills, yung mga documents na hindi na namin kailangan, shinred namin. Dinala niya dyan para sigain. Actually, simula nung lumipat kami dun sa tinitirhan namin ngayon, naipon lahat. So yan, kaya dinala niya, magsisiga siya dyan. Maingat si Mikey sa mga ganyan, lalo sa mga papel. So yan daw ang the best way. Nagko-cool down na yung init. So si Sisi is naggagayat ng pineapple. And nagdala siya ng bilao, gulay para sa dinner namin. Matamis. So, ayan yung binili niya sa Freestone nung isang araw. Kailan ba kahapon? Isang araw? Isang araw. O, yan. At saka yung mga gulay. O, meron siyang pepper, ano to, onion, tomatoes, cucumber, parsley, potatoes,
Pahiga.
cilantro.
Pahiga. Like that.
And nagbablog din si Talia. So, isasama yan sa steak, right?
It's getting soft.
Yeah, we need one more ice.
Do you want to come up with me?
Yeah,
Can
sure.
you take Remy so we don't fry it?
Okay. Pili tayo ng ice. And then, ito yung ating carbs. Meron tayong... Ha? Doon sa office. Potato. Ang ating pinaka carbs. Kasi matagal tong maluto. Kaya sasalang na natin.
A trick.
Wala tayong katol dito kaya nilalamok tayo sa side na to. Dito lang yung onion, wala na? Hati-hati mo yung ganyan. Yung kids, ano kakainin? Ganyan din. Yung kakainin. Pineapple. Meat again. Tamis ng pakwan. Pakwan or pinya? Pinya. And then onion again. Kebab. So, yun yung ating pinaka-meat. Kebabs. Ang tamis ng pinya, no? Say hi and let's eat.
So basically,
So, kain
if you
tayo,
take
guys.
one like this, you put it in the lava.
Oh, yeah. Like that?
Yeah, like that. But it must be juicy.
Oh, babe, look at that.
Tacos.
No, it's
Yeah,
not
need to
taco.
absorb the flavors.
Oh, yeah, the juice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So, kain tayo, guys. Yan
And
ang
you can
aming
put the
dinner.
salad as well inside.
Okay, let's try. Babe, dito.
Nice. Left yourself.
I told you. Maybe you bring like the thing.
The ones there.
Ganito daw pagkain yan. Like
Kare.
this. Like this, babe. You're not tortilla. That's not tortilla. That's what's this? Ganyan daw. Look at this, babe. Like that. And then put the salad.
Kung may hummus.
If you add the juice, sorry, the sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, hummus, huh?
Yeah.
With the sauce also good.
And like this is Arabic food, right?
Yeah. Also Greek also have.
Oh, I thought there was hummus here. I was looking for it. I was like, where's the hummus?
Remy wants to stay here forever, mommy.
It's good, babe.
Remy wants to stay
kebab.
here for.
Sabihin mo.
Sunday, dinner natin.
Who have the next birthday? Mike?
Next month.
Why?
You want to celebrate it? Just another day, man.
Why?
You're choked up?
Rami?
Baby, how you look at the
Kaya ito.
Rami?
The lava, by the way, should be soft. This one. Now it's crunchy.
What's your leg?
Yeah, it's tangled up. Hey.
Snack time!
We are doing snacks today.
What are you snack?
We're gonna make stars. No stars. What?
No screaming, no screaming. Why are you making?
I want to make biscuits.
Maganda pagod si Remy kasi hindi siya nakakatulog maghapon. Nahiga na sa dyan. S'mores.
How are they?
Natutunaw yung
The mosquito.
chocolate niya. So, yan guys. Higa na kami ni Remy. And sila is magsha-shower pa. Ewan ko guys kung nakikita nyo. Si Remy is nag-iingay. So, ito yung side namin. Tapos, ayan si Remy, oh. Hindi mapakali. Tapos, yun yung sa side ng sister ko. Family niya. Sobrang luwag nitong tent nila. Yung kanilang airbed is queen. Tapos, etong sa amin is queen din. So, may dala kaming... So, right now, pinapaandar ko yung fan. And sabi ko kay Mikey, magdala din ng heater. Yan. Just in case malamig sa gabi. Pero, nagko-cool down na siya. Kaya, okay na okay. Si Remy nag-iiyak ko. So, yan guys. See you tomorrow. Let's see kung anong oras tayo magigising. Kasi yung 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock, madilim pa rin. Madilim na. Hindi kagaya nung una. So, yan guys. See you tomorrow morning. Good night guys. Good morning, everyone. Nathan, boker tog. Excited yung dalawang bata, oh. 7:30 na ng umaga. Inubos lang namin yung mga woods na binili namin kahapon. Sayang din. Tsaka hindi pa natin alam kung kailan ulit tayo makakapag-camping. Remy! Good morning! Ang aga niya nagising. Konting kalus ko sa labas. Bumabangon siya. Pero mabait siya, hindi siya nag-iingay. Naghihintay na lang for breakfast. Kasi maaga pa naman. Maggagawa tayo ng breakfast. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Pink Floyd. Okay.
Let me just find my phone and
I'm charging your phone.
yeah,
Yeah.
grab in the cooler.
Okay. Need help? Babe? Maganda tong campsite na to kasi full service. Meron siyang laundry, may shower. Kaya lang sobrang daming lamok. Pero marami kaming dalang kontra mosquito. Ito, kagaya nito. Nabili namin to sa Canadian Tire. Naka-sale siya $19. Very effective. Tapos meron kaming katol. Yan. May katol kami. So, since dumating kami dito, naglagay kami ng mga kontra mosquito at saka yung mga katol. Hanggang ngayon meron pa rin. Inuubos lang namin. Actually, ito yun eh. Meron pa siya. Ah, wala na. Isang ganito, ubos namin. One night. Iba talaga pag may ganito. Tsaka, mga kontra mosquito. na spray or lotion mosquito. So, yun. Kagabi, ewan ko, sabi ng kapatid ko, hindi siya masyadong nakatulog kasi parang nananaginip siya, konting lakad lang may nararamdaman siyang lumalakad. Parang feeling niya is bear daw. Ako naman, tulog na tulog, wala akong kaalam-alam. Tapos yun nga, bumangon kami ni Remy 6:30 kasi nilakad ko siya. So yan, tayo magluluto ng pancakes. Ayan na siya, shish. Ayan si Shish. Magluluto na siya ng pancake. Ako pala magluluto.
Magtitimpla.
Siya magtitimpla.
Broken
Ano kaya dito ang may gagamitin?
emergency.
Hindi ko alam Hindi ko alam anong gagamitin dito. Kasi tama ba ginagawa ko?
Baka.
Binubuksan ba to?
Ewan ko. Oh. Paano malagay yung...
May laman ba lahat to? Ang dami-dami.
Oh, bago yung dalawa dyan. Mamin.
Ha? Siguro ito.
Marge, watch this.
Oh. Galing.
Ah. Check it.
Yo, Bella, it's almost done. It's white. Now it's done.
Tari mo pa. Pancakes kayo dyan.
Where is that one?
Okay, hold on. Want butter?
Hmm?
Butter?
Sure. Remy, no.
Here. Syrup.
Sec. Here in a sec. Yeah. So I'll get it on the eggs. It's good. Thanks for
Sinap?
Yeah, for now.
Betcha bon. Enjoy breakfast.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, Remy, you ready to go home? Everything is packed. So, yan guys. Dalaw yung ginamit namin. Everything is packed and clean. Just remember guys, punta kayo sa camping, follow the rules and regulations, and leave no trace. Let's go home. And yan guys, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you soon on my next one. Bye guys, see you in the next one.
Let's take off.